Hey, it's another Tech Travel Geeks fashion video. And when I say fashion, it's another pair of Selvedge Denim jeans. Now, I don't actually remember the time I purchased these. I believe it was before I even bought my community clothing ones in May, but at some point at the end of June 2023, these jeans arrived, and I checked my AliExpress account, and yes, I had ordered them a while back, and it just took a long time for delivery. The reason I ordered these is probably partly because I'd had a few too many whiskies that evening, and partly because of the price. How much would you expect a pair of Selvedge denim jeans to be? For many people, it's between 150 and 300 US dollars. But if you go on AliExpress, you can find Selvedge denim jeans for less than £30 sterling. That's 35 to 40 US dollars to you and me. So let's see what $35 jeans from AliExpress look like. I should say $35 Selvedge denim jeans look like. Here we are. So, first impressions, it's indigo dark denim jeans. First feel is they're quite solid for raw denim jeans. That's a good sign. And on the front, we'll have a quick look at what they look like. They look pretty decent. Actually, I'm really impressed. For the price, this is really good. Now, the brand is one that you can't actually see on the AliExpress listing. They refer to them as Red Ear jeans, which must be a machine translation of Selvedge. But the brand is WFiiiiiiSH. Sorry, let me say that again. WFiiiiiSH, or WFiiiiiSH, which is different. This is original fit straight leg. And in terms of packaging, we have a little one here saying the size at the back, and there is a label at the front saying that it's a YKK zipper and the branding WFiiiiiiSH. On the inside, we can see that the zipper is a decent one. I'm really quite impressed. There's extra reinforced stitching on the zipper there. It's well constructed. And unlike the Uniqlo U jeans that we saw in a previous video here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, there is actually rivets here. There is hardware here on them. And the branding is jeans. Yes, jeans. There's rivets in all the places you'd expect them. There's even a nice little detail of the Selvedge ID on the coin pocket. And unlike the Uniqlo U coin pocket, this is a narrow standard one for jeans, as I'm used to them. Construction is decent all round. Let's see if it passes the wallet test. Yep, they do, very comfortably. In terms of cut, these are baggy to straight, at least that's how they're described on the AliExpress listing. And they seem to be slightly tapered, actually, towards the inside of the leg. Now I'm going to turn these inside out and see what the Red Ear Selvedge is like. In terms of the Red Ear or the Selvedge finish, yes, it is a red Selvedge ID that goes from the bottom, from the ankle thing, all the way up to the pockets, and seems to be very well finished. I'm impressed. And there's a bit of branding on the pocket bag here. WFiiiiiiSH story. So let's read this. WFiiiiiiSH story has been essential in Evertone wardrobe. Okay. This perfect black skinny inspired by the rock movement offered in nice stretch denim in all black and grey shades. To you and me, that may mean very little. I'm sure that the original Chinese text that was machine translated to be put on this pocket bag was very meaningful. It sounds like proper poetry. But moving on, there is a label at the top here. This I have machine translated with Google Lens, and this means that it's 98% cotton and 2% elastane. That means that these are stretch Selvedge denim jeans. And in terms of the overall finish on the inside, I'm really, really impressed. There is a bit of branding here, original fit straight leg WFiiiiiiSH tag. It has neutral stitching on the inside to get that tag on. There is no leather patch on these jeans, and in terms of the belt straps, these have the Levi's style ones with one in the middle and two at the side. It's not like Wrangler or other brands which have a few extra loops to hold up your belt. So really, first impressions, I'm really impressed. For the price, for £30 sterling, you're getting a lot, and that's including taxes and delivery. So what I'm going to do now is go away and wear these for a while, and then get back to you with my full first impressions, understanding of what the fit is actually like, and obviously we'll link in the description to where you too can drunkenly purchase WFiiiiiiSH jeans from AliExpress. But for now, I'll wrap up this section of the video, and I'll see you in a moment. If you do get an ad coming up on this video, please do watch it, because you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks. But for now, I'll leave you to it and see you soon. And I'm back, and I can say that I'm really pleasantly impressed by these Selvedge Denim jeans, stretch Selvedge Denim jeans that I purchased on AliExpress. I've been wearing them for a while now, and I can say they're very, very comfortable. Unlike other Selvedge Denim jeans I've had in the past, you can see those videos on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, these are inherently softer, they are stretchier. They're also much roomier in terms of cut. Now, I ordered a 36-inch waist. I would say that this is a quite conservative measurement of my waist. Now, with European branded 36-inch waist orders of Selvedge Denim, including Uniqlo, with the Uniqlo U jeans that we recently covered here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, the 36-inch waist was a little bit wider. And with these red ear Selvedge Denim jeans from AliExpress, I can say that they are slightly tighter around the waist, but wider elsewhere. And whilst they're sort of straightish cut, they're actually tapered towards the ankles, and the ankles are slightly narrower. The leg is slightly shorter than I would expect from a pair of Selvedge Denim jeans, where you don't have an option to purchase a pair with a leg length. Usually they come in a 32 to 34 inch inseam. In the case of these ones, it's closer to a 30-inch one. So if you're going to be buying these and want to roll them up, or you want to cuff them to show off the selvage finish, you might want to consider having a pair of high-top Converse or other sneakers in the high-top version, or boots, because you will be exposing quite a lot of your ankle whilst doing so, or at least that's how I find them. That's not necessarily a bad thing. You might want to do that, but ultimately trousers are there to keep you warm, keep you protected from the weather, and with these ones it's a little bit more difficult just because of the shorter leg. But overall, I have to say, they're very comfortable, they're amazing value. The only thing I'd say is the cut is baggy. The pockets, especially the back pockets, are large, and they sit a little bit further down my legs, almost over my thighs. That means that doing things like having a wallet in your back pocket and maybe sitting in the car, you'll feel that wallet on your thigh. It's not as comfortable as jeans where the back pockets are further up. If, on the other hand, you are going to be standing quite a lot, they're perfectly pleasant. The front pockets pass my smartphone test with the Google Pixel 7 Pro. I can pop my Google Pixel 7 Pro in my front pocket, sit down, and not break a rib. That's a win-win for me. Big enough to take the Google Pixel 7 Pro and to comfortably sit down. So well done to whoever makes these jeans, who have branded them as WFiiiiiiSH or WFiiiiiiiSH. Who knows how they're pronounced? If you know how to pronounce WFiiiiiiiSH, please do leave us a comment in the section below and let us know. It's a mystery to us. Anyway, I'll link in the description to where you can purchase these jeans. If you want to know more, please leave us a comment in the section below. And if you do actually purchase them from the link in the description, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks because it's an affiliate link. We make a very small percentage of what you're spending on your affordable Selvedge denim jeans from this AliExpress link, which is a way to support the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Anyway, great pair of jeans for £30, really good value. Beware that the 36-inch cut is slightly smaller than 36 inches, but you're warned about that in the AliExpress listing. But overall, great pair of jeans if you are into slightly baggier or roomier jeans, or as Hebtroco say, and we covered in our previous Tech Travel Geeks YouTube video, plenty of ballroom. Anyway, thanks for watching if you made it this far. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. For now, goodbye from me.